Good day. This is where I live. I'm living in a township called Orange Farm in South Africa, south of Johannesburg. So the conditions that we are living in are just like this. I just want to show you the reconstruction development housing that we own. So I just want to show you so that you can check where we're staying at. Yes. So with these conditions where we are staying in this community, that is where you know we are experiencing a lot of load shedding for electricity. So yes, we're trying our best if this solution can work so that at least we can have a light on our houses in our homes, so that at least we can provide a solution of solar energy into our houses. So basically it's all about that. Thank you.